Hi, my name is Chris and today we're going to be unboxing the V-TUF Mini. Now, as you can see, it's laid out really well inside the box. This model is a new and improved V-TUF Mini. It's going to replace the old version going forward. And as you can see, it's much more stylish and it comes with a bunch of new health and safety features. The V-TUF M-Class Mini is lightweight and compact with H13 Hepa 99.9% filtration efficiency for compliant and safe dust extraction throughout your project. The Mini will help you tackle dust at source, ensuring a safe working environment for all. To make sure that your V-TUF vacuum cleaner lasts for a long time, it includes a filter shaker and washable filters. Some of the additional add-ons that it comes with is this hard floor sweeper head, the carpet and hard floor head. It comes with a crevice tool, a round brush, and a square horse hairbrush. Some of the features of it are these new reflective stickers that are on the front of the vacuum to help you be able to see it on the work site. It's got this easy to spot 5-meter electrical cable that's yellow, again just to prevent trips and falls and so that you can see it that little bit easier. In addition to that, we have the 5-meter suction hose. Again, we've done this in the yellow so that you can see it and so that there's no accidental trips or falls. It's got a strong carry handle, and it comes with wheels for the front and the back that are just easily clipped on. This is the V-TUF Universal Power Tool Adapter. It's got a stepped design so that it'll work with an exhaust for any of your power tools. There's 3 lengths of pole included, which gives you that firmer application so that you can push and pull on the sweep heads. The V-TUF Mini comes with 5 15-litre dust bags, and the filter inside it is washable. As you can see from this, the suction on it is incredible. It's very lightweight and easy to use. It's got all the safety features that you would come to expect from V-TUF products at this point, with the yellow cord, the yellow hose, the reflective strips, etc. It really is a great tool for the job site. That's it from this unboxing of the V-TUF Mini. If you'd like more information, don't forget to check out our website at www.toolstop.co.uk. Thanks for watching.